I love epic events like reuniting Spy Hunter for the ZX Spectrum, the cassette, with its box. Hi and welcome to the AKB Retro Game Review, and today's game is another speccy title, Spy Hunter. Once you get to the menu screen, select keyboard or joystick control. We're going with keyboard. And I didn't really know what I was doing, but I knew that I had to shoot some cars out of the way to get where I was going. I also knew I had to find my way to the speedboat. I was relieved when I got to the speedboat. The action felt less intense. Nice little cheat for a high score. Just going to go and get a beer. Come back in a little while. A crafty trick, known in 8-bit circles as score table jamming. Though to be honest, I didn't know what was going on here. I didn't know if I could get past the helicopter or whether there was a level 2. I did enjoy the game. I'll give it some ratings. Graphics, a little bit cheesy. 8 out of 10. Ooh. Actually, let's give it 7. Sound, well, not too good either, really. Clicks, blips, that kind of thing. You can do a lot better with a 48K Spectrum, believe me. So that leaves playability. Well, I enjoyed playing this game a lot. It did feel quite arcadey. I didn't really know what I was doing, but I did want to get to the end of the first level and destroy the helicopter. I think I probably needed missiles.